Looks like it's too late for second thoughts. Time to move out.
Real estate question. This wonderful realm, or...
In time, I'll find the right place for myself, too. What is it? You've gone astray.
I knew you'd come straight to... Divine Judgment Traditional!
Orders received.
Whoever said a wheelchair couldn't get up onto a steel beam?
At attention, I'll impart on you all the cries I've heard.
I can handle this.
What is it? I know what it is I want.
Laterano intervenes.
I'll take care of this place.
Emergency all principles are on you.
Go ahead, target disarmed.
What is it? I obey my own heart. At attention, you want to topple me? Find what? Enemy spot. Laying suppressive fire.
Mission accomplished.
Operation complete. Laterano will now return to the land ship.